So today I want to alter this small glass bottle. It comes with a screw top, which I will also decorate. But for starters, I want to give it a coat of this simple white tissue paper together with Mod Podge, and that will give me a good surface for any paint or anything else I want to add to it. And of course, the tissue paper will also give me some texture, and I'm not being careful here. I don't mind if some areas have 2 or 3 layers and if there are some additional wrinkles. Now, decorating this bottle is somewhat of a friendly commission piece, and the person this goes to, she likes angel wings, she likes steampunk, she likes skulls. And so I pulled out some suitable bits and pieces. The only thing I absolutely could not find in my stash was a skull, any type of skull. So after looking around and thinking what to do, I decided to make one. Why not? I have this air-dried clay, and so I will attempt to make a simple skull, and then as soon as it's dry, it's just like any other piece of embellishment, and hopefully it will look good on this bottle. So from here on, all the things I do, like always, are very easy to follow. My captions will have any mediums I might be using or any explanation I might have to give you. So please enjoy the process. I will turn you over to a little bit of music, and I will talk to you towards the end. So now to a close-up of my little bottle, you can see the cluster of the tiny stones and the 2 tiny bling pieces on the wings. Of course, the pearl wrap on the bottom, gears and so on the sides, some jewelry in the back. There is a big gear on the very top, and then the dangle with 3 charms. And of course the whole piece has really nice texture, partly because of the elements and of course also because of the sawdust. And I think my skull definitely dominates the look of this bottle. Now, as I was on a roll and I had 2 identical bottles, I decorated the next one as well. Now this one is in many ways similar and yet different. Instead of the skull, I used this bulldog emblem, which my husband had found on one of his walks with the dog, and it's cool. So then I also used some gears. Here they go around the circle. For texture, I used texture paste and a stencil, a different type of stencil. I also did not use sawdust on this one, but it has a key on the bottom with a little clock charm and then a metal chain just wrapped around the top with some pretty beads in red and teal and a tiny red bead there on the crown. And that's pretty much it. The rest is similar. The colors are a little different. One is more green, one is more teal, but I think they are both pretty cool. So I hope my friend will like her skull bottle. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this together and that it gave you some ideas and that I get to see you really soon again. Be safe. Bye bye for now.